Hi, I'm excited that we are expanding so fast, and meaning even our customer base and testimonials coming in are really expanding. So how do we get this pictures before and afters to use? We need to have them compliant. So to get a compliant picture before and after to use, all you need to do is go to your It Works Connect app. All right, click on where you have your profile. That's where my picture is. Click on resource before and after photos. Okay, so this is my own that's been approved. You can see it there. It's coming up. So with this one, when we're using it now, it needs to show the products that were used. Like this one says ultimate body applicator. What the duration was 2 hours. Now let's go back and submit a new one. So how do you submit? What you do, go to before and after, okay, and click, because I have one already done. So frame it status. Now we want to do a new one. Before picture, it's going to ask you to do that. Let's go. We're going to go to my gallery. Let me try to submit the one for this lady, for Mary. Okay, Mary here. Let's go. That's okay. No, I need to have the root pictures. Okay, just so we'll go to album. I think I took the picture off Facebook, so I'm looking for where Facebook is. Bear with me one moment as I go to look for. Okay, yeah, this is it. So this is the root picture. That's before. Okay, so I submit that. Good. And the next one is going to say after. I do that one. The next one is going to be the after. We'll go again, look for where I took the root picture from. Okay, this after. Fantastic. Now, no, don't do that. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, I'm just doing this. All right, so this is the before. Okay, I click on that, and then let me move it to the side. I want the after now. Okay, so that means you need to scroll to the side to do the after. Fantastic. So we go here, and then let's do fantastic. So that's it. Now we save that. For it to, okay, I can go back again because I'm not sure our face is really showing properly. So let's go again. I'm able to edit this. Let's edit this and see what we want to use. So let's edit. I'm trying to edit it. So you can move it so that our face is showing properly in the frame. That's the after. Okay, and let's do the before. I want it to be roughly about the same, so it looks the same. Okay, all right, done. So let's see what it looks like now. No, I think let's go again. Just want it to look as much alike as possible. Good. So this one is to, let me see if I can bring it a bit closer in. Let's bring it a bit closer in. I want it to come in slightly closer, because the way it appears is just going to help us to be able to show people that this is okay. Great. Okay, so that's it. Now it's me, not me. Okay, that this is not me, so I'm going to do not me. Wow, tell us how long it took you. So this was 21 days. She said 21 days result, and so let's do days. Fantastic. And what did she use? Account ID. Oh my god. So we need to have the account ID. Will tell us who's in this picture. Okay, I don't have our details, so I'm just gonna have to end it from here. But that's it. They verify it, download the consent to be sure that she's giving us consent to use that, and that you submit it, you're done. So let's go ahead, submit yours. If it's yours, it's not going to be asking for all of this. Go and submit your before and after, and let's have some testimonials to share with the team. Well done.